Are you curious about how Bookmap and TradingView stack up against each other? In this video, we'll compare these two popular trading tools to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Bookmap and TradingView are designed for traders. They help you analyze markets and make informed decisions, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Bookmap. This tool focuses on visualizing market data. It shows you the order book and market depth in real time. You can see where buy and sell orders are placed. This helps you understand market behavior better. Bookmap is great for day traders who want to see live price action and liquidity. Now, let's talk about TradingView. This platform is more about charting and analysis. It offers a wide range of indicators and drawing tools. You can create custom charts and share ideas with a large community. TradingView is perfect for traders who like to analyze trends and patterns over time. So, what are the key differences? Bookmap is all about real time market depth and order flow. TradingView, on the other hand, excels in charting and technical analysis tools. If you want to see live market activity, Bookmap is your best bet. If you prefer detailed analysis and community interaction, TradingView is the way to go. When it comes to features, Bookmap offers unique visualizations and heat maps. TradingView provides a vast library of indicators and social features. Both have mobile apps, but TradingView's community features are more robust in terms of pricing. Bookmap typically has a subscription model, while TradingView offers different tiers based on features. You will want to check their websites for the latest options. In the end, if you are focused on real time market dynamics, go with Bookmap. If you want a comprehensive analysis tool with community support, choose TradingView. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.